The High Court has ordered the reinstatement of Magistrate Bryan Khaemba, who Chief Justice David Maraga had suspended for granting anticipatory bail to Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu under questionable circumstances. The court has ruled that the suspension was premature and unfair, and the letter suspending the magistrate was illegal, null and void. The respondents, who include the Judicial Service Commission, have been ordered to pay Khaemba's salaries and allowances and all dues withheld during his suspension. These are to be remitted by the 1st of November. This ruling has raised questions such as if the court is protecting its own.
The respondents to pay the petitioner all salaries, allowances, and given all other due contractual and statutory benefits withheld throughout the suspension period to date, and to continue in employment without loss of rank, status, and all attached benefits, and the respondents to pay the petitioner due sum of money by 1st November 2019, failing interest at court rates to be payable thereon from the date of this judgment till full, and further September 2019, employment and assignment of duty.